你好，我是 Red. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are cracking a crucial code of Chinese. How one pinyin can create 4 completely different words just by changing a tone. But please remember, characters often have multiple meanings. Today we are only focusing on the most common usage here. Ready? Let's go. The first syllable I choose 知. First tone, flat and high. 知. The character is 知, meaning juice. We say 果汁, fruit juice. Repeat after me. 我喝橙汁. 我喝橙汁. That means I drink orange juice. The second tone, rising, 直. The character is 直, meaning street. Today we use 直走, go street. Say with me. 前边直走. 前边直走, meaning go straight ahead. Perfect for giving directions. And the third tone, did then rise. 纸. The character is 纸, meaning paper. The keyword 纸巾, tissue. Use it daily. 请给我一张纸巾. 请给我一张纸巾. Please give me a tissue. Very practical. And fourth tone, sharp drop. 志. The character is 志, meaning ambition. We often say 志愿者, volunteer. For example, 他是医院的志愿者. 他是医院的志愿者. She is a hospital volunteer. Now let's come to the sixth syllable, 西. 西 with flat tone. 西. The character 西 means west. Let's learn 西瓜, watermelon. Try this. 夏天的西瓜最甜. 夏天的西瓜最甜. Watermelons are the sweetest in summer. Then, rising tone, 习. The character is 习, meaning to practice. Crucial word is 学习, to study. Say aloud. 我每天学习中文. 我每天学习中文. I study Chinese every day. You're doing it right now. Next, deep rise tone, 喜. The character 喜, meaning happiness. Master word is 喜欢, to like. We use it often. 我喜欢中国菜. 我喜欢中国菜. I like Chinese food. Lastly, sharp falling tone, 戏. The character 戏, meaning game in daily life. The keyword 游戏, game. For instance, 我们玩手机游戏吧. 我们玩手机游戏吧. Let's play mobile games. Here's a note. 戏 can mean drama, but 游戏 game is what you will use 90% of the time. Okay, that's all for today. If tones trip you up, I've got solutions. I sincerely invite you to join my coffee membership plan or become my subscriber. Here, I will provide you with abundant learning materials and all-round assistance, accompanying you to overcome every difficulty on your Chinese learning journey. Currently, I have carefully prepared a large amount of free learning materials. Looking forward to sharing them with you. Okay, thank you for your attention and support again. I am waiting for your arrival on coffee. Goodbye.